ची 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 ची. Oh. Cute. Krishna. अरे वाह. This has been like a dream come true for me. So yeah, what else can I say? Let's get going. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome back to my another vlog. Just finished with my security check-in. Ready to board the flight. My flight is at 7 and time now is 6:30. So I have to get going. Done with the security checking and baggage dropping. All that is done. Now I'm heading to Char Dham. Finally I'm going to Char Dham and I'll keep you posted. This is Terminal 2 again. Waterfalls, artificial waterfall, and there is my boarding pass. I'm gonna get going to my gate 21. That is the gate. So now there was some problem with the umbrella and vacuum pump that I had carried to pack my bags. So, and also since mine was a hiking shoes and it has a metal, so the clearance had to happen, and once that was like, I think it took more than 30 minutes here, and now I'm not late. I am late, but I don't know I'm not late, I guess. I'm just gonna go, get going, and I can't tell you how excited I am about this trip. Char Dham trip. I think this has been like a dream come true for me. So yeah. What else can I say? Let's get going. Last time when I came, I was going to Prayag. That was the first time I went to Terminal 2. And I think all the domestic flights are only in Terminal 2 and international is Terminal 1. Tim Hortons I badly wanted to have today, but I don't think I will. I'm scared. So yeah. They also sell, what is that? Arabic coffee. Okay. These are friends who are traveling together. Sometimes it feels good when you travel with friends. Sometimes you feel, nahi baba, solo is better because you don't have to depend on anybody. Let me show my face. To run to board my flight, but today I'm just gonna walk without any tensions and chaos because I'm all ready. I think there's nothing pending. I just have to pack some food so that I can have the flight. I don't know if it is Air India, they'll definitely give you breakfast, but I don't know if they would because last time I think they skipped. So yeah, and also got to know about the news of Air India flight crash that happened in Ahmedabad airport, and that is such a sad news. And trust me, I'm so nervous. I'm so scared and nervous. I'm just praying that that should never ever happen to anybody again, and that should be the end of it, and nobody else should have such a horrible death. Or my condolences goes toward their families who have lost their loved ones in this air crash. And okay, let's just not talk about it anymore because already I'm feeling so nervous and my hands are literally shivering, guys. So yeah, let's see if I can find some Subway to grab a burger or something in Subway that I can have. Okay, okie dokie. Okay, so empty seats are truly bliss, but I did not get a window seat this time, unfortunately. The flight just took off and then we had breakfast served. So we have upma, idli vada, sambar, bun maska, some fruit yogurt, and water bottle. We arrived and landed safely after a terrible mid-air turbulence, and it was very scary. I was listening to Hanuman Chalisa throughout the journey in the flight, and the landing was really very scary. Okay. Guys, the time now is 9:49 and I've just reached Delhi Airport, Indira Gandhi Airport. Going on the walker later and collecting my baggage at the counter. Just reached and still walking in the walker later. Going to collect my baggage. Once that is done, my cab is waiting outside the gate and outside the airport. And then we'll be heading to Haridwar for Ganga Aarti. I just can't wait to witness Ganga Aarti in Haridwar. This has been my bucket list for long time, and please do not miss Ganga Aarti, guys, when you're going to Haridwar or Rishikesh. Let's see how it goes. So if you do the layering, it's fine.
I actually bought all of this to travel to Delhi last year.
Okay.
And then my reason to travel to Delhi,
I got a burger, cheeseburger, and some cold water for myself. It's so hot here in Delhi. It's 52 degrees today. Heat waves, next level, crazy, insane it is. Running towards the cab now. Everyone are staring at me, I don't care. But yeah, oh god, my phone is getting so hot. It's becoming so hot because of the temperature. I'll get into the cab and I'll do the next bit of vlogging there. Okay, burger and cold water. First I'm going to drink water. Veg cheeseburger.
बारिश हो जाएगी तो फिर भी अच्छा मौसम हो जाएगा.
हाँ, ये भी है.
उधर तो बहुत ठंडा रहेगा.
हाँ.
बहुत सर्दी.
यहाँ पे तो स्नोफॉल भी हो रहा है ना अभी.
हाँ.
शुरू हो गया.
20 दिन से कंटिन्यू बारिश.
कब से बना है ये?
बहुत टाइम.
अच्छा.
मुझे याद भी नहीं है.
मैं आई थी. ऐसा तो नहीं था दिल्ली. क्या?
बॉर्डर कहाँ का है?
This is basically VIP stretch road, it seems. So you will always see less traffic movement in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road. Is that Taj?
बेंगलोर से 3 घंटे में ज़्यादा नहीं लग गए यहाँ पर.
हाँ.
बहुत टाइम ले लिया आपने.
9:30 तक पहुँचे. Received my auntie, my masi, my Geeta Pidi, who just came from USA, who's gonna come along with me to the Char Dham. We are going together. So we are here in Modern Bazaar in Delhi. We just finished Decathlon shopping. She purchased some hiking bag. You can see here. I'll show you. And now we are doing some shopping so that we can eat and keep eating. Just keep hogging throughout the trip. The entire trip will only keep hogging and do nothing, I guess, because there's so much you can see here. So, yeah.
Wait. We'll open this.
Name it and you'll have it, guys. Trust me. Every damn thing on this earth you want. You get frozen food, you get ice creams, you'll get ginger ales, you'll get beers, crates of beer, frozen section load, dahi, whatnot. Literally every damn thing here at Modern Bazaar. I packed cheese corn sandwich for me, Penny, and her friend. I'm hungry, half full, so having cheese corn sandwich. It's yum. I paid 110 for the slices. Yeah. This is right opposite to the airport, guys, and it's an Amul counter. It's really yum. This is a room we are staying. Oh god. They've dumped it. Just one floor. That is a hotel and kitchen. Exit. Exploring streets of Janpat Market, Delhi. Time now is 7:28. Found this place. Rates are quite nice, like reasonable and affordable. I'll show you. In Janpat Market City, you can literally bargain here. Such pretty chanya choli, lehengas and all you'll get. Trust me, you can bargain big time. Choli, dupatta, stole, handbags, handlooms, antique pieces, pashmina shawls, everything. Good morning, guys, from Delhi. Namaste from Delhi to all of you. Time now is forget it, 6:15 or 6:19 it was. We are heading to Haridwar. Right now I am heading to Haridwar. We are at Divyang some railway station. I'll tell you later. And we have paid coolie 300 each. 2 coolies are carrying our baggages. We are going from Bazaar Expedition Group's Uttarakhand Tourism. And the train is ready to depart at 6:45 a.m. So we just reached the platform now. We are in Shatabdi, going in Shatabdi Express, platform number 16. So yeah, wish me all the best. I can't wait. Trip is begin and Har Har Mahadev.
गाड़ी संख्या 1, 2, 0, 4, 0 शताब्दी
017 Shatabdi Express ready to depart.
Namaskar. Indian Railway welcomes you on board 12017 New Delhi Dehradun Shatabdi Express train. We shall cover the distance of 310 kilometers in about 6 hours. We will be stopping at Ghaziabad Junction, Meerut City Junction, Muzaffarnagar, Saharanpur Junction, Roorkee and Haridwar Junction station. Smoking is not permitted in the train, even in
Is second Yamuna Bridge. I guess there is some construction work going on. But yeah, provided, and they've given some Unibic oats digestive and rail water from IRCTC. These are some kind of different types of dried fruits and raisins. These are our snacks. So basically we got all these cup noodles, instant cup noodles and all that yesterday from Modern Bazaar. Now we requested for hot water. Stay, don't fall. Rajasthani Shatabdi, so you get morning tea, you get vegetarian breakfast of all these, either of these. Non-veg may you have omelette, carrot beans, green pea salad, tomato ketchup and all. So lunch and dinner is soup, bun maska, main course vegetarian rice, plain rice, matar pulao, Kashmiri pulao, roti, paratha. You can see all of this here. And they have evening tea as well. So yeah, this is what you get when you travel in Shatabdi. And we have high fiber brown bread with jam, butter, mouth freshener, tomato ketchup, herbal sanitizer, salt and pepper. And I've given my that is veg and non-veg. So you see 2 of your balls here. That is salad, veggie salad and cutlet, which I'm not eating right now because I finished with my noodles, cup noodles, and I'm not hungry anymore. So that is our breakfast. So first we got they give you tea, masala herbal masala tea cups, and it starts with a water bottle with a paper cup, and and then followed by a cereal breakfast, that is cornflakes, milk and all that, oatmeal, and you have your breakfast of brown bread, omelette. For non-vegetarians it is omelette, for vegetarians it is aloo cutlet, aloo paratha, green peas salad. 1 second, it's here. I'll tell you what all is there. Yeah, yes, it is green peas and corn salad. So, and they give you cutlery, salt, pepper, herbal sanitizer, as I showed you. Nice. Auntie's busy having she's having omelette, no? No, she's having salad. She's having green pea salad, and that is omelette. Yeah. Geeta Pini is busy. Time now is 11:45.
गाड़ी संख्या
Just
1201 न्यू दिल्ली देहरादून न्यू दिल्ली से चलकर देहरादून को जाने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक
All the luggages are ready.
धन्यवाद। ट्रेन नंबर 1201
Pini is there, Auntie is there. It is like heading towards the stay now, and we are going exiting outside. The journey begins from here. The trip to Chardham begins, and I can't really express how excited I am. Har Har Mahadev. room tour. These are our luggages. TV. Restroom, washroom. Pretty. In the previous hotel, there was a glass partition, so yeah. Pretty interiors. I'm gonna keep another mattress over here because 3 of us are gonna accommodate, so we'll keep this side and we'll be sleeping here around se. What is the time? Right now is 1:30 and we are heading to Mansa Devi temple and have lunch. We'll have something on the way. And it's so hot, it's so burning hot. Very difficult, even though air is so hot. Like heat waves into the core. We aren't took the flight right now. Wait for the there is a cable car ride also. I'm pretty excited about that. When I've been to Pushkar, the same thing I have experienced. So I love the cable car ride. Let's see how it goes. This is my favorite. We are waiting for our ropeway ride. Batch wise, they are going to let us go inside. Wow.
ನೋಡಿ ಈಗಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
I think that is where Ganga Aarti is done, no?
You can see the ghat. Yes.
Wow. Entire Haridwar.
This side. That red one.
Red temple. I guess that is the one. Chhata is there, no? That is where Aarti is done, I guess.
Look at the crowd.
Already.
That's Chhata, no? That is where Aarti is done.
Central.
The chapels here. And now entering the temple. Time now is 2:23. Going to Sri Mansa Devi Mandir. I'll talk about the importance of this temple later.
हेलो ये सभी होटल के कर्मचारी आ जाए यहाँ पे काफी के बाद गणमाता सीता माता अवसपुर चामुंडा माता हनुमान जी शंकर जी लक्ष्मण कारघरों सभी होटल के कर्मचारी आ जाए यहाँ कार्यालय में.
According to legends, goddess Mansa was born from the mind of Lord Shiva, hence the name. She is considered to be the sister of Naga Devatas, that is serpent gods, and often worshipped to cure snake bites and remove fears. Mansa Devi is closely associated with Vasuki, the king of serpents. It is believed that centuries ago, devotees began to have experiences of divine feminine energy atop the Bilva Parvat. Saints and sages meditated in this area and built a shrine to honor Mansa Mata, who believed to grant boons and protect her devotees from calamities. You can reach the temple by ropeway or also trekking uphill. Mansa Devi is also one of the Siddha Pitas or the temples where wishes are believed to be miraculously fulfilled. Cranky today. See, it's all windy here, so though it is hot, it's windy outside. So yeah, that is the view from this point. Now we are heading to Chandi Devi temple. Oh God. Yeah.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೆ
Going
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
down now.
ಮಸೂರಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು.
ಓಹೋ.
ಇದೇ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದವರು ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ
ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ.
After finishing our visit to Mansa Devi Mandir, we are next heading to Chandi Devi Mandir. It is said that it is incomplete without visiting her. So according to Hindu mythology, Two demon brothers, Shumba and Nishumba, had conquered heavens and defeated gods and terrorized three worlds. The gods prayed to goddess Parvati, who took form of Chandika. She killed demon generals like Chanda and Munda and took fearsome form of Kali to slay them. Eventually, she killed Shumba and Nishumba on the hill where the temple stands today. She is worshipped as the protector of righteousness and destroyer of evil. The main idol of Chandi Devi was established by Sri Adi Shankaracharya in 18th century and is said to be Swayambhu. You can reach by ropeway or trekking uphill, which would take 45 minutes. Once you're done visiting all the temples, you can start doing some shopping here. There are really very pretty shopping stalls. You can find good jute, handmade jute bags, keychains, fridge magnets, some souvenirs to take home. They are making pulkas and we ordered dal, aloo jeera and everything. I'll show you what I've ordered. That's a lunch. And this is giving me that Rajasthan vibes. Please, Jaisalmer ka vibes. So pretty. Thanks to AC.
ನಾವೇ ಸರ್
Yummy. I'll take that. We are walking towards the Ganga Aarti Ghat, the ghat near the Ganga Aarti. Time now is 5:50 and you'll get a lot of lassi bhandars, nimbu shikanji, jaljeera, everything here.
यार तू छोड़ तो दे यार
సౌతకాయ ఎంత అడుగుతామా We are going to see Ganga Aarti from the most nearest distance possible. Paid 100 rupees for 5 people for Diya and Aarti. See how it goes. Super excited. I still can't believe I'm in Haridwar.
गो मैम
माता रानी की आरतियों का दैनिक प्रबंध आप दानी भक्तों के दान से श्री गंगा सभा कमेटी करती है। दोपहर को 12 बजे भोजन भंडारा प्रसाद वितरण, हजारों गरीबों को निःशुल्क दवाइयाँ, हर की पैड़ी क्षेत्र की केवल आप दानी भक्तों के दान से होती है। श्रद्धालु
Sitting right next to Ma Ganga's मूर्ति.
मनोकामना पूरी करें।
हम तो आगे बैठे हैं किधर से कहाँ हो रहा है
They all are sitting.
हम तो नीचे आगे बैठे क्या गंगा माता की तस्वीर है ना गंगा माता की तस्वीर रखी है गंगा माता है ना कि देखो
पलट के फिर ना आनी बोली बात और रहता पानी न करने
Time now is 6:15 and we are at Har Ki Pauri, spot of divine footsteps. The Aarti takes place at the sacred Brahma Kund, where it is believed that Lord Vishnu left his footprints. The Aarti was performed even during COVID and heavy floods during 2013, but it is said that the lamps did not go off despite lashing rains. Aarti rituals are held every evening around sunset time. Priests chant mantras and perform aarti with huge fire lamps. It symbolizes victory of light over darkness, purity over sins. Devotees believe that being present at Ganga Aarti or even watching it purifies the souls, washes the sins, and brings inner peace. I literally enjoyed every bit of watching this Ganga Aarti as I've been manifesting this since a long time, and it was a feast to my eyes to watch and witness the pure Ganga Aarti in Haridwar. Time now is 8:35 p.m. and we started walking towards the stay, that is our room. Before that, we wanted to do some quick shopping of souvenirs, like looking for some fridge magnets and etc. I really found extremely reasonable and amazing clothes here with for just 100 rupees, and I will definitely show all that in another vlog with another different segment altogether. Well, that's a wrap, guys, on today's beautiful journey. With folded hands and a grateful heart, I end this divine experience at Harikidwar, Haridwar. May the blessings of deities guide us all. Thank you for walking with me through these moments. See you in next vlog from Yamunotri. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did filming this for you guys. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.